SB19, let's hear your acceptance speech.
Hello everyone, we are SB19. 안녕하세요, SB19입니다. Thank you, Billboard Korea. It's an honor. Thank you for this honor, and thank you for this award. We are very grateful to be receiving this in a country that has inspired so many fellow Asian countries across the globe and to become globally recognized. And this award belongs not just to us, but to the entire P-pop movement, OPM, and of course to every Filipino that shares their creativity and passion across Asia and the world. And we would like also to thank our team, Onesie Entertainment, Sony Music, Billboard Korea, Billboard Philippines, for giving us a platform and to give a chance for us to bring our music across and beyond borders and beyond cultures. And of course, we would like also give a shout out to our fellow artist, Filipino artist who has been here right now, Beanie. Hello to you guys. We are very proud of you. They have been making waves right now. And of course, to our fellow 18, our families, thank you for believing in us. You are the fuel for us to push boundaries and to be, of course, having this award right now. Thank you so much.
네, 축하드립니다. 네.
멋지게 얘기를 했어요.
다시. 네, 축하드립니다. Do you have anything else to say?
I would just like to add to every Filipino artist, creative, and to the music legends before us, you inspire us so much to grow and to excel without losing heart. And as Voices of Asia, we are so proud to stand alongside our fellow Asian artists, showcasing the diversity and the richness of our cultures through our music. This award represents the P-pop community's mission, and that is to bring the Filipino artistry to the global stage, starting here in Asia. We're just so thankful for all of our supporters, and I would just like to say to our fellow artists, let's keep working hard, let's strive for excellence, and let's create with a heart of service for ourselves, for our fans, and to God. Ama, salamat at ikaw ang agimat. Bawat banat, patuloy na ibabagay ang watawat. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino. Salamat po.
마지막에 엄마